What's up, guys? It's your boy Joe Ratchet. I am going to do a first today. So a lot of people have been asking and telling me maybe I should dabble into doing a cute makeup tutorial. So I know some of you guys have seen pictures of me on Instagram or Twitter where I'm looking pretty cute, but this will be the first time I will actually show you guys my makeup routine, or I'm gonna do a makeup tutorial. So I hope you guys are super excited. Please stay tuned and watch me go from this to this. So the main products for today's makeup tutorial: Skippy creamy peanut butter and Schmucker's strawberry jam. These are the only two things you will need if you want to follow this makeup tutorial. Let me give myself a little quick change, get ready for my makeup, my zhuzh. Okay, all right, we are now ready, and it is time to start off with our base, which is gonna be our Skippy peanut butter. I just bought this today just for you guys. Ooh, she's fresh. Okay. Ready, everyone? We are going to start off with this. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Maybe. Oh fuck. Oh my god. Oh, fuck. Oh my god, I'm just going in. Fuck it. Oh my god! Fuck. Ooh. Y'all ever just swatch peanut butters? Bitch, I'm a foodie. Oh my god. She big. Make sure it is concealed in the forehead. I hate myself because I look so good. Oh my god. Make sure you get every inch, every corner. Make sure your face is covered all the way. You don't want any drool. You don't want any spots being left behind. Actually, it's fine. You can leave spots left behind. I don't really give a fuck. But it's up to you. Ooh, look how plump this skin is. Okay, don't be playing around with your skin like that. But I honestly think creamy might not be the perfect color for me, but we're just making it work for today. Oh shit, we will get that out of our brows later. Yeah. Bitch, I'm cute. Oh my god. Okay. I think that pretty much is gonna be good. Oh yes. Make sure it is out of your brow area. Oh my god, I look fabulous. It is now time to add a bit of color with our strawberry jam. Thank you to Schmucker's. So, and for our highlight color, just our little, oh shit. It's kind of cute actually to look. This shit is rolling right off. cute little bridge on the nose. Some color on the nose as well. I'm gonna leave that as like a cute little beauty mark. Ooh, it looks like I'm crying. How edgy. Okay, I think that's good enough. God, shit. Actually, let's take it out. If you ever are melting after this makeup, don't be afraid to just eat it. Shit's good. Oh my god. Clean it up a little bit. Sometimes you make mistakes. It's okay, as long as you know how to clean it up. And voila! And we are done with today's look. I hope you guys really enjoyed this beautiful, fresh face right here, this lovely, fresh makeup tutorial. Thank you to my sponsors and products today, which is Skippy Peanut Butter and Smuckers.
It's peanut butter jelly time! Peanut butter jelly time! Peanut butter jelly time! Peanut butter jelly! Peanut butter jelly! Peanut butter jelly!
Don't forget to please subscribe down below for possible more makeup tutorials and to check out my other videos out there. I hope you guys enjoyed this fun little makeup tutorial. And I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.
No such thing as a life that's better than yours. Love yours. Such thing as a life that's better than yours. No such thing, no such thing.
Oh my god. Bitch. I tried to just wash my face and this is not cute. Ow. Tastes good though. This is gonna be so bad for my skin. Don't ever do this. This was just a fake makeup tutorial. Please, if you're watching this still, don't do this.